Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you for all your Guestsheaux submissions this last month. They've all been very spooktacular. Anyway, your mission for this next month, should you choose to accept it, is any of the Video Bring Kiddo movies that I've reviewed. Yes, my channel has got quite a bit of attention thanks to these marvelous train wrecks, and I am very thankful for the opportunity to have reviewed them. And now, it's your turn. The Little Cars movies, Gladiformers, The Frog Prince, Ratatoing, What's Up, Balloon to the Rescue, and of course, The Little Panda Fighter. I didn't get as many submissions for Guestsheaux as I did for the Alpha and Omega series or Cool Cat Saves the Kids, so throughout the month of November, I'll be uploading these reviews every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If it turns out that I get more reviews than that current schedule can accommodate, I will upload them as often as necessary. As always, let's keep the comments positive and focused on the review itself. Do not repeatedly ask me if I got your review, because if you sent it to bobshow@gmail.com via Google Drive, chances are, I got it. If you sent it to me through Twitter or Facebook, maybe I got it, maybe I didn't, but knowing me, I probably haven't seen it. I suck at checking my messages there. Sorry. Gotta get better at that. Again, be sure to give me your reviews in an MP4 format, and send them to bobshow@gmail.com through Google Drive, and get them to me by November 25th. See you later!